Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to draw a twister. Hope you can join me. And hey, Antonio, thanks for your suggestion. I'm not drawing a pizza. I'm drawing the basic shape of twister. I'm going to start with his eyes in the middle here. So we've got one eye on a lean, two eyes on a lean. Then we're going to put a line that comes from one side and it's curving up slightly. And then comes up. Then we've got to go up that side and across like this. And then we've got to come out. Another line coming up to meet that one. This line sort of comes back in a bit. This line keeps coming out, back in. Now we're going to join this up and do the top part. So starting here, come across. Now you can use your whole arm to draw that line. And then coming up. And coming up and around here like this. And curve that over to join that line. So we've got the top half of him. The bottom half is a little bit more complex. So let's concentrate on this line. Comes around and curves back around like that. Now this line comes down a bit further, so we're going to bring that down, and then it comes up to, and this line is up a bit higher. So now we're going to join that up to there. So bring that around, join him up. Now we're going to bring, just coming in a little bit here, bring this across like this. Now we're going to put both his hands on. One hand comes in here and it's like a big curve line. Comes to a point up there. Bring the point down. This is a little bit that kicks in and comes around like that. And then this comes around like so. Now over here we have it coming out, around and back in on itself. There's one little bit, and then this bit kicks around like so. Now let's draw the rest of his body. So we've got another little bit that comes down, and it's a bit narrower through there. This line comes around like this, so you see that part, hits that line. Then we have another line that comes in and around and joins back up to that. Then we have another one that comes around like so. Then it comes down like this. And then we have the bottom that is a little shape like that for the bottom of twister. Now we've got, well, these could be legs. Little spiral sort of line like this. For one. And then another shape like this for the other. Now remember, the more you practice your drawing, the better you're going to get. I'm just going to go around this with a thicker outline.